name check on that dance.
A week next Saturday at the Stork Club.
You got it.
8 o'clock in the dark. Don't dare be late. Understood?
You know, I still don't know how to dance.
Just be there.
We'll have the band play something slow.